fluffy, crunchy, and delicious bittergourd Karela fry. Prepared in air fryer. Take the bittergourd Karela. Cut it like this. Take out seeds if you want. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well and keep it aside for 20 minutes to remove bitterness. After 20 minutes, clean with fresh water. Once properly washed, add 2 tablespoons olive oil. Add a ½ teaspoon turmeric powder. Add salt to taste. Mix well. Preheat air fryer. Place it in the basket. Spread it evenly. Set for 185° C for 20 to 22 minutes. In the meantime, add 1 big sliced onion into left out spices. Mix well. After each 5 minutes, mix it. After approx 10 minutes, add sliced onions. Mix well. Check after a few minutes and mix well. Add a 1/4 sliced red bell pepper, capsicum optional. Once ready, take this out. Crunchy, healthy, delicious Karela fry ready. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please feel free to subscribe it.